Hey craft lovers, my name is Raina. I work for the Western Sullivan Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a bird feeder. So all you're going to need is one tin can. I'm using a large tin can, but you can really use any size that you would like. You're going to want something to make the perch. So I'm going to be using just a regular old popsicle stick. You can take any stick from outside. Really anything you want. What we're going to be doing later is we're just going to be setting it right in there. And then you're going to want some hot glue or some stronger glue. If you don't have hot glue, like super glue, Gorilla Glue will work fine. And then you're going to want some ribbon or some string to use so we can tie up our bird feeder. And I'm going to be decorating my bird feeder, but that is optional. All right, so let's get started. So first, I'm going to go ahead and decorate my can before we begin everything else. This is what I'm going to be using to decorate my bird feeder. This really pretty burlap. It's got some really nice designs on it, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to glue it around my can. You can, if you want, you can paint your bird feeder. You can glue buttons on it. You can really decorate it however you want. So what I just did was I just hot glued a little piece here, and then I'm going to cut along the edges a little bit, and this is on the bottom of the can. All right, so that's what that looks like. Throw our scraps out. Okay, now I cut this piece out and I'm gonna glue it along this. All right, so that's how mine looks right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually fold this in and glue it around there. So I'll show you. I'm going to make a few cuts along here. All right, so I'm all finished decorating. So now we can glue the perch on. I'm going to do it right where I have this line here from the burlap. I'm going to put it right there so it's underneath. You want to stick out enough so that the birds have enough room to stand on there, so I'm probably going to do it right there. So that's mine, and then all you're going to need to do is put the ribbon on, then you're all done. So I'm gluing the ribbon on. Now you're going to want to, so I glued at the bottom here, and then I wrapped it around, and I'm going to glue again at the top to secure my ribbon, and I want it to be directly above where I have my perch. Put a little bit right on the ribbon so that they connect a little bit. All right, so that's my bird feeder. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for next week. I will be showing you guys how to make your own cell phone stand, or it can also be used as a miniature easel for artwork. Thanks guys.